Hey there, crafters. Today, in day 4 of 12 Days of Christmas, I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy money holder for Christmas. So if you don't necessarily have time to go out to the store and pick up a gift card, you have some cold hard cash on hand, what a better present is that? Okay, so today we are going to be using the Flurry of Wishes stamp set and also the decorative label punch, the snowflake punch, and the note tag punch, Bermuda Bay ink, some Whisper White and Bermuda Bay paper, and Whisper White paper. Okay, so the Whisper White is cut at 3 by 6 3/8, and the Bermuda Bay is cut at 7 and 8.5. So what we're going to do, it's already scored for you. We scored it at 2 and at 5 1/4. Okay, so let's pick this up, close that. We're going to take our note tag punch, and we're going to get it right in the middle there and just cut that out. I'm going to get some Tombow adhesive and just put a thin line on each side. Fold that up, and there we go. Okay, so we have our card made, and let's just set this to the side. We're going to use our front, and we're going to get the Bermuda Bay, and we're going to get our big Flurry of Wishes snowflake. Get it inked up real good. And then you're just going to place it wherever you'd like. And then you're going to get your Merry Christmas greeting. Place that here at the bottom. And then get your smaller tube inked up with Bermuda Bay, and use your Whisper White scrap that you have, and then you're going to get the Flurry of Wishes. Get that lined up. And get 2 dimensionals and place them on the back of these. Just like that. Then get your fast views. Make sure you get tape all around it. And then we're going to put it on the front. Get that put down. And then we're going to get the greeting that says to be filled with wonder, to be touched by peace and believe in miracles. balls. And you're going to stamp that up with the Mutivate also. And place it right on your spare cardstock here. Okay. Then get your decorative label punch. Center that. And you can put a little Tombow, or you can put fast fuse. No, I guess my Tombow is a little stuck, so just get this on with some fast fuse and put that right there. And there you have it, a quick and simple money holder for the holidays. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can get all your supplies or join my team at SheilaStamps.net. Goodbye.